If you just inherited a house, listen up. Before you clean it, fix it, or list it, there's a few things you should know that can cost you some serious money. At Meckey Estates, we deal with dozens of families all across New Jersey that deal with inherited properties, especially the ones that don't want to deal with the stress. First, you need to establish that you have the legal right to sell. Is it in probate? Is there a will? Or is it in a trust? If the probate hasn't been completed, then it means you may not have the authority. And if there's multiple heirs, then you need everyone to agree. And if you're skipping this step, then it delays everything. Now for step 2, we have to understand what you're actually inheriting. We do that by going through the financials. Whether it's going through the mortgage balances, liens, utilities, code violations, whatever it may be, you have to understand whether you're inheriting a property with equity or a property with problems. Understanding which of the two makes all the difference. Now, step number 3, it's important to understand your true options, because this is typically where homeowners make a mistake dealing with their inherited properties. Now, there's typically 3 ways to go about it. 1, you can renovate and list your property, but that requires time and capital. Number 2, you can keep it as a rental, but that requires management. Or number 3, you can sell it off as is. With that option, it's typically the most stress-free and fast solution. And depending on the property's condition or situation, one option may make more sense than the other. I see this happen all the time. People inherit properties and they pour a ton of money into renovations. The problem with that is this: you might over-improve your property and you'll never see those renovation costs actually come back in the final sale. You're also spending a ton of months dealing with contractors. Before you spend $1 on your property, make sure you get a valuation of what your property is worth as is. At Meckey Estates, we buy inherited homes in any condition. So that means no cleanouts, no repairs, and no commissions. Sometimes families just want a simple solution, especially when they're already dealing with everything else. The biggest thing that people want when inheriting a property isn't top dollar. It's clarity and certainty. No inspections, no negotiations, no showings, no months of delays and dealing with contractors. If that sounds like you, there is a simpler path. If you inherited a house in New Jersey and you're not sure what the smartest move is, call me. I'll walk you through your options and show you what an as-is cash solution looks like. Even if you don't sell to us, at least you'll know your options.